Today is Sunday. Justin is going back to work tomorrow. We're still staying at the same caravan park, and Justin right now is at the reception. He is asking to see if we can extend it until Thursday, because that is when we book our fridge to be fixed, so we can check out on Thursday morning for people to fix our fridge, and then we can go off to Dampier Peninsula or free camp somewhere before the Dampier Peninsula. So after this, we're just gonna go back to Roebuck Bay so that I can get the photography shot that I wanted, because the high tide is around 10:30. We came late last time, so this time we have to do it. And then we're probably gonna go to, I think it's called Reddell Beach, and then there is a lantern festival on this afternoon, so we might gonna go and check that out as well. And that's it for the day. think Roebuck Bay would be one of my favorite place in Broome or in WA. Like here it's so beautiful. We got the turquoise color of the ocean, and then the red sand, and then the tree. It just make a perfect contrast. It's just so beautiful. I think this is the most, well, I haven't been to all of WA yet, but I think this is one of the most picturesque spot in WA. I'm sure there's other area that look beautiful as well, and cannot wait to discover. I'm not sure where it is, but I will try to do some research, because yeah, this place is so beautiful, just next level of beauty. So after Roebuck Bay, we went back to our cabin park. I cooked the beef noodle soup and we ate and we ate that for lunch. It didn't taste as good as I expected, maybe because I didn't use the correct ingredient. Just that Roebuck doesn't have the beef bone. So I have to use the meat, and yeah, I think without the bone is it doesn't taste as good, but it's still nice. Evie, she drank a bottle of milk, so she didn't eat it as much, but Eva finished her bowl and Justin went back for a second bowl. I share my bowl, a bowl with our neighbor, and well, I gave our neighbor Fan a small bowl of my beef noodle, and she said it tastes fantastic, but I doubt it. If it doesn't taste fantastic to me, I don't think it will taste fantastic to anyone, because I'm quite a picky eater when it's come to flavor. I love the food to be a lot of flavor, so therefore whenever I make something, my food is like full of flavor, but this time the beef is not flavorsome as I want it to be. Anyway, here we are at Reddell Beach. We're just gonna stay here for a while, and then we're gonna go back to the Lantern Festival, which is like maybe about less than 5-minute drive from here. Wow. It's about 4 o'clock now, but then the color is still so beautiful here. I don't think we can see, maybe we might able to see sunset on the ocean here, but yeah, we're gonna leave it for Cable Beach when we going there in a couple days time, maybe on Tuesday. It's a hermit crab, this one too. There's a lot of them here. Yesterday when we at Coconut Well, we didn't really enjoy it as I anticipated. I have always want to go there, and when we got there, I must say it's not, it's beautiful, it's lovely, but it's not enjoyable. The reason is because the sand are so fine, they are really fine, that they're, I think, like glass, and the glass is also so fine that it's actually cut through our foot, like it's like bindi. So when we walk on the sand, some part with barefoot, and well, our toe got cut through. It's not as hurt as, it's not as painful compared to Bindi, but definitely something there that we can feel it. And even when I got into the water to do some photography, when I sit down in one of the rock hole, my butt got hurt. It's like needle, and pretty much the entire area cannot walk on barefoot, have to be with water shoe or have to be with shoe. And yeah, the water hole, I think if anyone stay in the water hole for longer, they will definitely feel the I say it, the bindi or the pointy bit that that will pin your skin or your butt. Well, it did to me anyway, and it did to Justin. And then for some reason Evie and Eva got scared of all the live shell, because it's low tide. There's so many shell that is alive, and they small crab walking around everywhere, and they somehow they got scared and they don't want to stay. They make a huge deal out of it, and then we have to take them back to the shore where all the sandy bit, at least they stay there and play with the sand. But yeah, they did not enjoy it. Eva keeps saying that she want to go home. So yeah, I thought Coconut Well would be, the rock hole would be like enjoyable, where you can actually stay in and enjoy yourself, but it's actually not. I don't think I would like to be in the rock pool. I just do it for the pictures, but it's not enjoyable. It's not like how people make it out to be. It's a nice place to go and check it out, and then that's it. I think, but further down there's beaches. Maybe in that area it should be fine, but yeah, here at the Coconut Well, all the rock are very sharp. I was on my shoe the whole time. Jellyfish here, that's quite big. No, baby, it's alive.
Yeah. Would have been stuck there at the high tide.
It's moving. Oh wow, look at this. This looks like mini grape. It's slimy when I touch it. Justin said it looked like an octopus, but it's kind of weird. That's stuck underneath the rock. It's slimy and it's hard. Hello, Mr. Krabby.
Maybe get him from behind. So
I think this place is very nice to come here just to chill and relax. When it's low tide, we get to see something interesting, and yeah, we can see sunset on water from here. This beach is quite beautiful. There's a few people here. They already have their table set out, so I think they are staying here to watch the sunset. And they have a boy. Evie and Eva already become friends with him, and then they already playing right now. And now we are going to the Paper Lantern Festival. I think this is our first time going to a festival like this. Didn't expect it to be happening in Broome. Guess we just come at the right time. Oh wow, look at that. So many people. Now that the sun has set, everybody seems to be marching to the water. I think that's where they're gonna set out their lanterns, so we're probably gonna go over there and have a look as well. Wow, this place when it's low tide, look at how far the water goes. Sunset was so amazing, the color and the lantern. Once people start walking back to the shore, leaving the lantern there, and we can see the candlelight. We probably can stay here for another half an hour until it's completely dark, but then Eva, she's complaining that she's cold and she wanna go back, so yeah, we are going home.